안녕하세요. 저는 여러분의 한국어 선생님 NimBee라고 합니다. Hey there and welcome. I'm NimBee and I'm here to make learning Korean fun, simple, and a little bit magical. Are you ready to learn Korean from scratch? Don't worry, if you don't know anything yet, you're in the right place. Let's take a quick tour. Today, we're starting with something super fun, a quiz. Before we actually study the Korean alphabet, let's do a little quiz, just for fun. There are no grades, no pressure, just a chance to guess and explore. Ready? Let's go! I'll do the quiz with you. I might even get a few wrong. Let's see how it goes. There's a guide here. We have to press F to see the guide. Let's read this one. To complete the quiz, head towards each obstacle that looks like a no entry sign. Okay? Each one has a question you need to answer. If you answer wrong, the obstacle won't be removed. Oh, we can't go further. Okay, let's go to finish the quiz together. This way. Oh, there's one obstacle here. Let's press F to see the question. Okay, which one is a consonant? What do you think? I think this one is a consonant. Let's see. Yes. Next one. Here, the question is which one belongs to Sang family? Do I know this one? I think this may be the correct answer. Let's see. Oops. See? It's all part of the fun. Don't worry at all. We're all learning together. Let's try next one. This one. Yes. Where am I? Oh, this is the next question. All options are vowel, but I think this is a vowel and this is a vowel. Maybe this one? Yes. Where's the next one? Oh, here. Which one is a basic consonant? What do you think, guys? Maybe this, or this. I think these are all consonants, but basic consonants? This one? Yes. Do we have other obstacles? Yes. Which one is a compound vowel? I think this one is compound. The shape looks like a compound vowel. What do you think? Yes, I was right. We are going to finish the quiz. And let's answer this question. What are we going to learn? What do you think, guys? We are learning numbers or alphabets? Yes, for sure. We are learning alphabets. Yeah, we finished the quiz. You made it. Alright, you did great. Whether you guessed or not, you've already started recognizing Korean letters. Time to dance. Now it's time to really learn the basics. I'll see you in the next room after this short break. Okay, let's go! Welcome back. Now it's time to actually learn the Korean letters. The Korean alphabet is called Hangul. I prepare some slides for you. You can see them in this monitor. Each letter shows you how it looks, how to write it, and 2 simple example words. Let's take your first step in learning Korean, 1 letter at a time. Ready? Let's jump in. Hangul letters consist of 14 basic consonants and 10 vowels. Okay guys, let's start with the 14 consonants. Our first letter to learn is Kyo, and it sounds like the K or G in English. Now that we know how to write it, let's check out some examples. The first example is 고양이, 고양이, which means cat. Next one is 감자, 감자, potato. Now let's move on to the next letter. Next letter is nian, nian, which sounds ne, ne. The first example is 나무, which means tree. Next is 나비, 나비, butterfly. Next letter is 티귿, 티귿. The first example is 달력, 달력, which means calendar in English. And the next one is 돈, 돈, money. Let's go to the next one. 리을, 리을. This letter sounds like le and re, like radio, which means radio, and 라면. Next letter is 미음, 미음. Has the sound me, me. 모자, hat. 무지개, rainbow. 모자, 무지개. Next one is 시옷, 시옷. Sounds like se or she. First example is 선생님, 선생님, teacher. 사과, 사과, apple. Next one is 피읍, 피읍. Examples are 비, which means rain, and 바나나, 바나나, banana. Next one is 지읒, 지읒. The sound is j or sometimes che. First example, 자전거, 자전거, bicycle. And the next is 지도, 지도, map. Next important consonant, which is a little different with other consonants, is ing. When you write ing at the beginning of a word, it doesn't have any sound. Let's see. 가방, 가방, bag. 오이, 오이, cucumber. Look, you just pronounce the o sound, not the ing sound. So when you have ing at the beginning of a word, it doesn't have any sound. The next consonant is ki역, more pressure to k sound. The example is 커피, 커피, coffee. The next example is camera, camera, which means camera in English. Next one is 티읕, 티읕, more pressure to th sound. Examples are 필통, 필통, pencil case, and tomato, tomato, tomato. Next consonant is 치읓, 치읓, which has ch sound, like 차, car, and 기차, train, 기차. And next one is 피읍, 피읍, pressure to p sound. Examples are 포도, grape, 포도, and 연필, 연필, pencil. Here we have the last basic consonant, 히읗, 히읗. Examples are 해, which means sun, and 학교, 학교, school. Great! We completed the list of Korean consonants, and now let's move on to Korean vowels. As you know, we have 10 basic vowels in Korean alphabet. The first one is a, like 가위, scissors, 가위, or 아이, kid. Next one is 야, like 양말, socks, or 야구, baseball. Next is 어, like 어머니, or 아버지, father and mother. The next is yo, like yo, fox, and yokwan, passport. Next vowel is o, 공책, notebook, and comb, bear. We have yo as the next vowel. Yo, like 요리사, chef, and 교실, class. Next one is 우, like 우산, umbrella, and 비누, soap. The next is 유, like 휴지, and 우유, milk. Next one is sound. The sound is not oo or o, is something between these two. You have to open your mouth more than o and u. The examples are boss. And the last alphabet in this video is E sound. E, like 치마, skirt, and 머리, head. Today, we learned how to write and pronounce the vowels and consonants. It has a guide there to show you how to write each alphabet in Korean. You can see some arrows here. You have to write the letters in the correct directions, so pay a really good attention to the directions of the arrows in order to understand how to write the letters. And if you have any question, please leave me a comment and ask your question. There are the building blocks of learning Korean, so make sure to practice them. Now that you've learned these basic alphabets, practice them at home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you had fun. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next video. 안녕히 가세요.